Is that supposed to hurt my feelings or something? You're calling me a mug. You know what a mug is? It's a coffee cup. All right, you want to see some shit talking? I'm about to write a song for both of your bitch asses.
Timothy, you're an embarrassment, Timothy.
Timmy! Damn it, Timmy, how the cows are supposed to talk?
Twin animals, attack.
Timmy!
Just started the war, now I'm swinging a hammer, mate, just like four. Crack to your jaw, let's settle for school. Your heart cheater, she used you for your money, mate, and nothing more. You threw yourself to the wolf pack, fam, there's no going back. Melanie took your stuff, to JC you started talking our smack. Nah, fuck that, this is what happens, bro, when the animals attack. So burn your dead send, you're not road, but you're heading down a dead end of friendship to mend. I'm riding for my brothers until the end, because you ain't our friend. They say X, yeah, it marks the spot. So here lays your funeral plot. Gone already forgot, I'll cop like a gap when I'm letting off shots. Left in the casket, you rock. Look what happens when animals attack. You have no stats and your career with facts. Hit the wall of truth, make you fall through the cracks. So now you gotta run away from the wolf pack, bro. Look what happens when animals attack. You have no stats and your career with facts. Hit the wall of truth, make you fall through the cracks. So now you gotta run away from the wolf pack.
I hope you're fucking ready, G, cause this is my therapy. Catch a plane to the States and I'm catching a felony. I beat you like a melody in front of that Melanie. Keep writing your songs like you two is just meant to be. But mentally you're a weirdo, she thinks you're a zero. Yeah, no plastic gangsters like it's Robert De Niro. But you fake I wear my cape and she call me the hero. Yo, I wouldn't mind 700, bro. I don't give a fuck if it's box in the name of love. Send me some flowers in the post while you're at it. Fuck your sister's garage, you can live in my attic. I'm a piranha, you're Nemo and aquatic. Nowadays you grab the mic and just rap like a spastic. When me and Sirus measure come through and it's drastic. Angel gang and this bitch and the splits and fractions.
lOwkO runs the show.
Look what happens when animals attack. You have no stats and your career with facts. Hit the wall of truth, make you fall through the cracks. So now you gotta run away from the wolf pack, bro. Look what happens when animals attack. You have no stats and your career with facts. Hit the wall of truth, make you fall through the cracks. So now you gotta run away from the wolf pack.
Boy, that barks, don't bite. Wants to be a bully but can't fight. It's gonna get dark, then you see the light. When a hand in the jacket is clutching a knife. Yo, X, don't you know?
Is that supposed to hurt my feelings?